So this is a quick tutorial for RTILA. It took me 2 hours to build. It will take you only a couple of minutes to build, and it's very good if you are struggling with RTILA, have no idea what's going on, and want to have a first success. That's what it did for me, okay? So don't expect too much. It's nothing crazy. It's very simple, but you will get something done with RTILA that you can be proud of. All right, so let's dive in. So in this automation, you will learn the following. You will learn to give RTILA a list of URLs. Each of these URLs should then be visited by RTILA, and then after visiting one page, it should wait for a couple of seconds, and then it should extract results. In this case, the title of a product and the URL of a product. And repeat this for all the URLs that you have put in. Very simple. So let's open up RTILA. I will create a new project down here, new project, Amazon, and then I will make it for YouTube. And this web page URL is this one, URL start. It doesn't even matter at the beginning. So it will open up the new project right here. And that means RTILA will open up a new window, okay? And then I will click top right here and open up the inspector, the RTILA inspector. And now the first thing I want to do is tell RTILA to visit each of these links. For the sake of simplicity, we will not fetch these links, but we will just give it to RTILA. Okay, very simple. So I will open up a new command, go to variable, and then I have a list right here. Add command, open up, and I will call this crawl all pages. And now here I have a list. It's not very easy to see, but I have an input field. I put in all these links, and what I did is simply right click, copy link address, put in here, right click, copy link address, put in here. Okay, so cool, awesome. Now I have a variable that is called crawl all pages, and it stores these values. All right, awesome. I will save this. And so the first thing I want to tell RTILA is to visit each of these links, okay? And I will do this inside this list item. Go to URL, because I put it in this hierarchy under crawl all pages. Then it will, for each list item, it will do this go to URL. So let me open up go to. No, first of all, crawl all pages, and then I will go to URL, and it will stick like that. Go to URL, and then I'll put inside here the variable crawl all pages, and then each URL and cycle through it. Okay, timeout 30 seconds. Yeah, seems about right. Then next step is I want to add a wait time. And this is about, I don't know, let's say 5 seconds. And then the next command is extract results. Yes. So let's check out extract results, datasets. Now we need a dataset. So just to repeat, what we told RTILA now is here's a list of pages, go to each URL, wait for 5 seconds, and then extract results. So now we need to define what results we want to have extracted. We do this with CSS selectors, and I did a different video on CSS selectors. Watch it. I hope it's very helpful. So let me go to inspection tab up here. I will create a new data set, and then to this data set, which is basically a table, to this data set I will add a new column. Okay, and now I want to have here the title, let's say, but RTILA doesn't know what is the title. RTILA knows, okay, now I want to have information, but it doesn't know what information. And it's not smart, so we need to tell it in coding language what we want. So every website is created out of code, and for every element on a website, it has a different name or a category. Some elements have multiple identifications, some elements have very unique identifications. And now we need to find in this code what the identification, for example, for this title is. Okay. I already know the selector. I will copy it. This is for the URL. This is the title. Put in the selector for the title, create a new column, and this time I want to have the URL. I will put in the selector that I already found before, and now I will save my automation. Let's repeat. We have crawl all pages, we have a list of pages, and then we have go to URL, which calls this variable, and then it will add a wait time, and then it will extract dataset 1. Dataset 1 we have in the inspection tab, dataset 1, and it has one column with title and one column with URL. And we assigned the selector to each column. And now, in theory, we should save, and then it should run the automation, and let's see what happens. Opens up the first page. Awesome. Seems to wait 5 seconds or more. It's perfect. So yeah, it opens up the pages. Perfect, one after another. It seems to wait for 5 seconds or more. And yeah, it works exactly as intended. Okay, so that concludes the first tutorial video on RTILA. I hope it helped. If you have questions, put it in the comments. Let's maybe make something more of this automation and then learn together. All right, see you soon.